Hello everybody, and that was my breakfast. Kind of a strange combination of random vegetables, some cut up tomatoes, eggs, onions, garlic, a little bit of salt, and some other seasonings. But I'm still working out. I have a lot of work to do as far as my endurance goes. My weakness being my shoulders, my lats, and my triceps. I've been working on those a lot, and 2 days ago, well actually I think this was maybe 3 or 4 days ago, I did some exercises for my lats and they were so sore. I thought I injured myself, but I just did some stretching and worked all that out, and now my lat is fine. I just have some really lagging body parts that I have to work on. But as you can see in this doodle here, this Rotring Isograph Doodle in my pentalic sketchbook, I'm just kind of scribbling things all over the place. This drawing only took me about 20 to 30 minutes. It didn't take me that long to draw. I was just kind of throwing lines here and there. It does look a bit organic and also a bit chaotic and random, but I really enjoy drawing with the Rotring Isograph, like all the little tiny details that I can pack into all the tiny spaces, and I tend to have a habit of trying to put everything on the paper and filling the whole page, but maybe sometimes I should leave some empty areas for a bit of contrast, or just to make this drawing a little bit different than usual. But anyways, I will see you in the next video, and I hope you have a good day. See you later.